The barrel of oil equivalent is a unit of energy based on the approximate energy released by burning 1 barrel of crude oil. The BO is used by oil and gas companies in their financial statements as a way of combining oil and natural gas reserves and production into a single measure. Although this energy equivalence does not take into account the lower financial value of energy in the form of gas, the U.S. Internal Revenue Service defines a BO as equal to 5.8 times 106 BTU, or 1.7 megawatt-hours. The value is necessarily approximate as various grades of oil and gas have slightly different heating values. If one considers the lower heating value instead of the higher heating value, the value for 1 BO would be approximately 5.4 gigajoules. Typically 5,800 cubic feet of natural gas or 58 ccf are equivalent to 1 BO. The USGS gives a figure of 6,000 cubic feet of typical natural gas. A commonly used multiple of the BO is the kilo barrel of oil equivalent, which is 1,000 barrels of oil equivalent. Other common multiples are the million barrels per day (MMBOD), used to measure daily production and consumption, and the BBOE, or billion barrel of oil equivalent, representing 109 barrels of oil, used to measure petroleum reserves. Metric users may talk of the ton of oil equivalent, or more often million tow. Since this is a measurement of weight, any conversion to barrels of oil equivalent depends on the density of the oil in question, as well as the energy content. Typically 1 ton of oil has a volume of 6.8–7.5 barrels. The United States EIA suggests 1 TOE has an average energy value of 39.68 million BTU.